Everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. I'm back. I got back late last night, so I am going to just do a really quick video today. Um, Instead of my normal mimeograph made with a twist, I'm just going to kind of go over some reminders. But I am so glad to be back. It was so fun to be at home in Canada and see. I think I saw almost my whole family, so that was awesome. And so if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I live in Arizona, but I'm actually Canadian. So I haven't been back home in, I think, 5 years, so it's been a while. I usually fly into Detroit. My sister drives on over and picks me up, and then she drives me back over. It's just more economical that way, and I'm not too far from the Detroit border where I grew up. So yeah, so I'm so glad to be back home. Back to almost normal. I'm still a little tired. There's a 3-hour difference, so it takes me a little bit to get back to normal schedule. But I have lots I need to get done, classes in the mail to get out, and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions, make sure you holler. I'll be in the chat room during the live premiere, so head on over there if you want to chat with me, or if you have any questions. If you're watching the replay, then just leave a comment down below. YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. Okay, so I think that's all I wanted to blab about right now. So I'm just going to turn the camera for a second. So close your eyes while I get adjusted. Before I get going, oh my gosh, look what was waiting for me when I got home in the mail. This beautiful card from Barb Kruger. Oh, and she made me these beautiful sunflower coasters. Aren't these amazing? Oh my gosh, look at how it just goes around and around. Oh my gosh, Barb, thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. Oh, and then this beautiful card. Look at that sparkle. So thank you so much. I just had to show that. All right. It's great to get stuff in the mail that's not a bill, right? All right, especially when it's beautiful like that. Okay, so October is ending. Make sure if you are going to order from my store and you're ordering less than 150, please use my host code for the month. Also, don't forget that you can actually join my team in October, and you can get $155 worth of stuff for only $99 in tax. Now, it depends where you live. Some states don't have tax, but Stampin' Up! Pays the shipping. So I would love to have you join my team. So those are there. Also, don't forget that we have kits on sale. What else is on sale? We have Close to My Heart stuff. I'm trying to think if that's still on sale or not, but it might just be part of the kits. So I did order some things while I was gone, and they were here when I got home. So look at the paper pumpkin. So if you're a paper pumpkin subscriber, we get refills and stuff. But this is like a full kit because it has the stamp set and the spot. But these are available. Now, they're available while I'm doing the video. Things can change if you're watching the replay. They can change hourly. This is a really popular one. You saw a while back. I'll have to link to it where I put this in a frame. It is beautiful in a frame. The cards are beautiful whether you put them in a frame or not. But anyway, so I grabbed a couple of those. And then while I was gone, my Nest of Christmas came, and I think this is the refill. So I'll have to do the Nest of Christmas. Yeah, this is the refill. So this was the October paper pumpkin. So make sure you just, if you are a paper pumpkin subscriber, if not, make sure you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. You can always skip a month, like if you, because we usually get a sneak peek of what's coming up, and you might say, okay, that's not my taste, and then you can just skip it, and then you'll get the next month's. So always keep that in mind. But But that's the only way you can do the refill kits or the full kits if they bring a full one back. And then they also brought, this was October 2023. So this was last year's, and this was a fun one. Even had that really cute little glittery snow, and this one makes this. Now, I didn't grab all of the ones, but I know, like, with Christmas coming, and I know I mentioned this before, like, sometimes, you know, I'm like the cobbler's kids didn't have shoes, right? So it's the same thing. Like, here I am, a card maker, and usually I'm making my Christmas cards at the last minute. So, so the kits are always nice. So these make some really pretty cards. So those were available when I was ordering. What else did I get? Oh, and then I also got, oh, it was right behind me. I'm like, what did I do with it? It's sitting behind me on the chair. So I also grabbed, so this one's on sale. So this is the Secret Garden Card Making Workshop Kit. Now, this is one of the close to my heart kits. And let me show you what comes in this one. Now, keep in mind, while supplies last and all that good stuff. But anyways, but I know when Karen was here, she gave me a card, and it used this stamp set and a die. So when I saw that it was on sale, I was like, oh, I'm going to grab that because it's so pretty. So let me scoot up just a little bit here. All right. So this kit, so it has these instructions here, and it explains to you how, if you want to make the kit like it's set up for, otherwise you just make it on your own. But if you do want to make the kit as it says, it tells you the measurements. So the pieces you need, the DSP that you need, and then it shows you, you know, the stamp set, and then it shows you how to cut your paper so that you get the most out of your cardstock. You can see, like, it tells you the orientation that you cut so that you don't, you know, cut it wrong or whatever. And then it explains, like, you know, how you're going to make the cards. So it's really, really cool. It's like, you know, basically it's like a class in the mail. But instead of me designing it, you know, Stampin' Up! Has it designed for you. Then it just tells you how, you know, what goes where. Here's some more. And you're making 2 of each, looks like. Pretty cool. All right, so then it has the envelopes, the cute little bling. Look at the bling. Oh my gosh. They're just amazing. They're so pretty. These are the little Secret Garden dots. So it comes with those. I'm going to set them aside here. And more envelopes. And then your card bases. And then look at this paper. This paper is beautiful. So what theirs is a little bit different. See, it has the name of it up here. That's a little bit different than Stampin' Up! Does it. But and I'm sure, like, once we run out of these kits, they'll be gone, and then everything will have, as far as I know, will have the Stampin' Up! Brand on it instead of the Close to My Heart. But look at that. So, oh, it's just beautiful. So you have one color on one side, you know, other color on the other side. You've got some pink going on here. Look at those yellow. This is just beautiful. And you've got this. So it's pretty cool how it's like one color on one side, but it's the identical, like, pattern. It's just a different color. So that's why that the kit directions explain to you why, you know, what direction you're going to cut because of the shape there. And then there's like pink. And then look at this pretty, pretty paper here. So I love that. And you could use these in a scrapbook page too if you didn't want to do them as cards. And then you got, this kind of reminds me of like fishnet and polka dots on the back side. Yellow polka dots. Blue. Now I don't think these are our colors. Yeah, these are, but you can totally, so So it's just called Artichoke Espresso, French Vanilla, Glacier, Honey Butter, Limeade, Mink, Peach, Periwinkle, Pine, Sage. Is the colors that this is. But this right here, I think, would go with Pool Party even. And in the back, this looks a lot like, kind of like Mossy Meadow. So, but I just wanted to share this with you because maybe you're like unfamiliar with them. And then the white cardstock. Actually, it could be vanilla even. It looks kind of like it might almost be, is it vanilla or white? I'm not sure what they're, oh, French vanilla. I already said, so it's French vanilla. Because here's, it's hard to tell on the camera, but the envelopes are a little more whiter. All right, so there's that. And then it has the stamp set and the die. So look how pretty this stamp set is. And it is photopolymer. And it has this little sheet on here that you can actually use to put onto your cardstock to stamp. So you get that extra little cushioning. And then it has the dies in the little magnet. So, but I just wanted to make sure I showed you that. I think that was all. I'm just looking around. I think so. But oh, I want to show you. Hold on a second. So while I was at home, I have followed Julia Hansford. Oh my gosh, for quite a while. My sister shared something with me, I don't know how many years ago, and I have followed her since then. And she makes some very unique, very cute, fun things. And I want to share with you some of the things I got. All right, so hold on. Let me get all of them. Okay. So she has a very unique art. And I'm weird. I'll admit it. I'm weird, wacky, unique. They broke the mold when they made me. And I just love her stuff. So I had to get a couple little gnomes. Now she's in Sparta, Ontario. I can't even talk. Ontario. If you live in Canada, she also she has a studio there in Sparta, and that's where we went. But she also does a market at the Western Fair as well. But look how cute. So I had to get this one. So this is Jeff in his little blue jeans and his little t-shirt, and he's campy capper, and he's got his little lumberjack hat on, and he's holding a toasted marshmallow. It's just so fun. But it even has like the little fur, right? Those little hats that fall down over your ears, but I couldn't resist that one. And then, of course, I had it. I was like, I have to get one that has something to do with Canada. So here's me. And then I got Eric a little magnet, and he already took it home. So here's me in my little polka dot dress. I have a cute little hat on too, and there's even like little bows. It's like all the cute little just all the little I can't even think of the word. I didn't grow any brain cells while I was there. But just all the little details she adds. It's just so cute. But I couldn't resist the little Canadian flag. So these are a couple. And then I love bees. I love sunflowers, bees. In fact, I got a new bee tattoo. I had some added to my other one. And so I could not resist. Because I had hollered at her while I was home, and I followed her on Facebook. So I was like, okay, I want to see this. So she had them all pulled out so I could check them for real. But look how cute. So these they stand up, but I'll lay them down so you can see them. But so this is me and Jeff as a bee, I guess. But I'm sure they have names. But so she's known for that big eye, I get. There's like one little eye, one big eye, but they are just so fun. And again, all the detail, the cute little antennas and the little wings, cute little heart. And it was so great to meet her, the little wings. And then here's the fun little girl. So she's got her heart. And look at, like her hair, it's up in pigtails with little ties. Like again, the detail that goes into all of these. So these sit on my hutch in the studio. And then she had some sales stuff. So I got my initials. So the D and the G. And you can hang these up. They stand up like they do have little hangers. She had coasters there, calendars. So just go to Facebook and you'll be able to catch her or whatever. And then so Jeff was like, oh, he would just kind of gave me the look when he seen the bees. He was like, what? I mean, he liked the elves, but Jeff's got more of a calmer taste than me. All right, but then this guy, I saw this one forever ago, and I says, I have to have a jackalope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin the camera so you can see this guy better. All right. And I got a t-shirt. See my Canada t-shirt. Ta-da-da! All right. And you can see, so see, here's my new, so it's still healing. Well, I mean, it's almost healed, but anyways, I can't even turn right. There we go. So it's got the bee and the flowers. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I just love it. So I'm just keeping it lotioned up, but that bee is so fuzzy. All right, so let's go back to the jackalope. So I think there is no such thing as jackalope, I don't believe. But it's kind of, I think it's almost like a joke in Arizona, because you'll see them, like somebody will have the rabbit and then the things or whatever. So as soon as I saw the jackalope, I was like, I need one of those. And then I just told Jeff, I said, I did some hunting while I was up at my dad's, and I got a jackalope. But look how funny he is. Oh my gosh. He is hilarious. So he hangs in my studio. So I told Jeff, I says, oh, I'll hang it by your elk or your javelina. And he was like, no. He says, you can hang it in your studio. So that's what I'm going to do. So anyways, so excuse me while I wipe my nose because I'm like laughing so hard. But anyway, all right. So I think that's all I have to share with you today. I should hopefully be back tomorrow with the Teach Me Tuesdays. Hopefully. Otherwise, I'll just stick my nose in again like I did today. So thanks so much for following me. I hope you liked the little video from the cabin. It was beautiful there. And I am glad to be home. And I'm going to stop blabbing. So don't forget about the specials because it will end October 31st, I believe, is the last day of October. Yes. So don't miss out on those. If you have any questions, make sure you holler at me. All right. So I will see you tomorrow for my Teach Me Tuesdays. That will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Thanks so much, everyone. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.